Hello friends, welcome to Max Pro Tips tutorial how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 11 for free. I will show you 3 tips. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to search bar and here type control panel. So open this control panel and then go to hardware and sound option, and here tap on power options, and here you need to click on change plan settings, and here select this change advanced power setting, and then scroll down and find processor power management. So tap on this plus icon and then tap on minimum processor state, tap on here, and here make sure you select minimum value. So here I select 0, and in here when battery and when plug-in select 0 value, and here next is maximum processor state. So here on battery make sure you select 100%, and also when the charger is in make sure select 100%. After selecting these value, tap on apply and then click on OK. This is the first tip. Next is you need to go to your setting on Windows 11. So tap on here setting, and here make sure you select this system option, and here you find storage. So tap on this storage option, and here tap on advanced storage setting, and then scroll down and tap on drive optimization. So tap on here drive optimization. Here is you see your PC drive, and select this C driver. C driver is very important. So after selecting C driver, tap on optimize. This optimization is start. This takes some time, and this optimization is completed. So one by one optimize your drive. So after completing all your drive, then close this. This is the second tips. So next is next and last steps is go to your this PC, and here in blank space tap on right click from your mouse and go to properties, and here properties your system information is display, and here tap on advanced system setting. After going to advanced system setting, make sure you click the advanced option, and here performance. So in performance section tap on setting button, and here select the adjust for best performance. So tap on this and then click on apply, and then OK, and then also OK. So in this way you boost your CPU performance on Windows 11. This is the video for today. If you have any query related to this video, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.